Hello, Eric, Saimai, and William here, and today we are in Russian Market. Why, you ask? Well, because we are looking for an apartment. And so we're moving from our area near Central Market to somewhere in Russian Market where we don't know. But we're going to take you along on some of the apartments we're looking at. The good, the bad, and the ugly. So come along with us, and let's start with apartment number 1. Our first stop this morning on our apartment hunt is SK Apartment here in Russian Market, and there's a unit up on the 10th floor that we are assured is very pretty and fancy, and you can see it's a beautiful tall building surrounded by all these lovely plants. So let's go up and see what's inside. This place is $650 per month asking price, and it is called SK Apartment. You can see right away it's very bright with relatively pleasing colors and a pretty nice view out of this floor-to-ceiling window. The couch is one of those non-cloth couches that you'll definitely stick to, and the paint is a little bit worn out, even though you can't see it in the video, and that's something that they would have to fix if we were going to move in. The bathrooms are pretty big. This is the second bedroom, but if you go out onto the balcony, you just see how big and bright it is. What a view. You could set out some tables or something here and it would be really nice. You can see that the glass is broken there on the door. They said they would replace that. Here is the master bedroom. It's a corner room with just tons of windows. Look at that. If you like natural light, it's great. The kitchen is fairly modern, and you won't have to go far to do your clothes, as you can see. Then there's another balcony out there. Pretty nice. Our next apartment of the day used to be called Monoram Apartment, but now it's called nothing. That's what the real estate agent told me. And so it's on the 6th floor, and it is asking price of $550 a month, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. So let's go up and just see what it looks like. This second apartment was only $550 a month, and like all the other ones in this video, it was 2 bedroom. Had some kind of bars on the windows, not a giant fan of that, and a pretty small bathroom in the master. Otherwise, the place was pretty airy and open and bright. Another small bathroom, but some nice views. Pretty big kitchen with gas stove. Big TV. And a big bright bedroom. With another little balcony and a much larger bathroom. $550 per month asking price. Our next apartment is this one right behind us. It is a 2-bedroom apartment with kind of like a leaf-based theme, as you can see, based on the railings and all the plants on all the balconies, and the ironwork is all leaf shape on the outside. So we're really looking forward to seeing what this one looks like. I'm going to say tall and narrow, but you can really see that they have some huge windows in the front. So I'm excited to see. Let's take a look. This place was $600 a month for 2 bedrooms, just like the other ones. It's got kind of a leaf plant motif going, and this is the living room and the kitchen. Kitchen's pretty sizable. The second bedroom is like a single bed. It's pretty small with a very small bathroom and not a big window, but I do have to say that this place has been kept up very well and is otherwise very modern and in outstanding condition. The highlight of the place for sure is the master bedroom, which is just huge and airy with this massive room-wide window and a really nice bathroom. Very modern. It's very nice. The window is actually the entrance to a quite large balcony that overlooks the street. This is on the second floor, or as they call it in Cambodia, the first floor. This place was the best as far as the condition of all the places that we visited. The only real problem is that the living room is unfortunately dark and small with essentially no view, and that maybe is a problem. About $600 a month. Well, now we are about to look at our final apartment of the day. I'm not sure what this one is called, but it's right across the street from this dog park right here. And the Coffee Plus Smart Dog Park.
Yeah.
So the reason we're attracted to this place is that it's only $500 a month, which probably can be talked down to $450, and it's probably got a great view. So we're just going to go take a look and we'll just see what there is. Our last apartment was only $500 per month. There's a pretty big and bright living room, and you have a really big balcony that looks right onto the street and the dog park below, and almost all of the rest of Russian Market. Look at that. Great view. So you're wondering, why is it so cheap? Well, the answer is that it is actually quite worn. The woodwork is kind of worn out, and it could really use some updating. Decent sized bedroom. And here you have, again, kind of a worn bathroom, but it's functional. And in the back here is where the kitchen is, kind of hidden away. The small refrigerator, pretty good sized cabinets, and a gas stove. And then the other bedroom. Perfect sized bedroom for a baby. $500 a month. There's some issues, but you might overlook it for a price like that. We're not sure. Well, that was today's Russian Market apartment search. Hope you enjoyed going along with us for the ride. Tell us which apartment you thought was the best in the comments, and maybe it'll help us decide which one we're going to pick. But if you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.